guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to discuss if you have a code P1185 guys, what can cause that and how to fix it. Sometimes guys it could be something super simple, so stay with us and we'll cover quite helpful information today. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including guys this one here, every car we get guys, we take them completely apart and we make more than 200 videos. Why guys? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. It's there for your convenience guys, so check it out. Now we have guys a 2015 Dodge that we hit that code P1185, so we're going to discuss today guys what caused that code and how we actually fixed that code and how we got rid of it. Now this code indicates problems with the fuel pressure, right? Now we have the engine guys, the same engine, it's a replacement engine that we have what is in this car. Okay, and this is the engine guys, and with this one being out of the vehicle I can actually show you a little bit better here what I'm talking about. Now check it out, on the back side you have the fuel rail right here, that's where the fuel injectors are located. Now if you have direct fuel injection, you may have a fuel pressure sensor somewhere here that detects the fuel pressure, but even if you don't have direct fuel injection like this one, this is a MPI guys, actually you have a fuel pressure sensor somewhere as well, and if you have a weak fuel pump or a pressure sensor that's not working correctly, you may get that code. However guys, it doesn't always mean that you have problem with the fuel system. Sometimes it could be simple like a loose wire connector. If you guys do not have, okay, one of the VVT solenoids, that's for the variable timing, okay, connected, or if one of the VVT solenoid is not working correctly, you can get that code as well. Another thing guys, this is your MAP sensor. This is the sensor that detects the pressure in the intake guys, and if you have a turbo engine you have two of them most likely. If you have a regular non-turbo engine you have one, and if that sensor is bad or not plugged in guys, you can get that code as well. So even though it indicates problems with the fuel pressure, it doesn't mean it's a fuel pressure. What our problem was guys, okay, it was a faulty MAP sensor, okay, that we had to replace on our vehicle. This is guys the MAP sensor, okay, right here. Once we replaced it, okay, everything was good after that, but it indicated that we had a code P1185. Now also guys, as I said, it could be bad VVT solenoid, so you need to check if you have timing solenoids. This engine actually is a Fiat Chrysler engine, it has 4 solenoids. Most of the times on a 4-cylinder you have only 2 solenoids, one on the intake camshaft, one on the exhaust. Now they started making them even more complicated guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure that code out. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.